down to Gordon Guitar. We have this song from Ashley Cooke called Running Back. So it's a great country-ish song. If you like those songs, then you should continue watching here. It's a very easy song to play, 4 chords only, and no need for any capo on this one. So let's start this one up. Let's go over the chords first. So we have this A sharp sus chord here. It's a bar chord, so you just place your index finger here on the first fret from the A string and down. That means 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 4th on D, sorry, 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Alright, so that's the A sharp chord. Then we have the next, which is the F. So you're keeping the bar there on the first fret, this time over all strings. Alright, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's F. The next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that is the chord progression through the entire song: A sharp, F, D minor, and C. Now let's look at the strumming pattern, and it will be divided into 2 different parts because we're gonna think pair of chords here. So A sharp and F will cross over 1 full strumming round, you can say, and the same goes for the next 2, D minor and C. So let's look at the transition here for A sharp to F. So the first part, which is played for the A sharp here, will be down, down, up, clap. Okay, so with the A sharp, that's the part. So down, down, up, clap. And then you shift to the F and play part 2, which is down, down, up, clap, down, up, like this. And if you connect these 2 parts, it will be A sharp, down, down, up, clap, and then F, down, down, up, clap, down, up, like this. And a little bit faster with standard tempo, something like this. And then you just apply the same here for the next 2 chords, which is the D minor and C, and play part 1 D minor and part 2 C, like this. And a couple of rounds of this chord progression. And that's it, my friends. Ashley Cooke's Running Back. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.